Hello everyone. So today let's solve one very important question. Find the employee with highest salary in each department including type. This question can be solved using three window function, which is row number, rank and dense rank. We will first understand what is these window functions, how do they perform when they are assigned some task, and then we will try to figure out the answer to this question and which window function should we use regarding this. So be with me in this video. We will be having all the clarities on this, and let's start it now. So to explain this window function, I have used a simple analogy of seat booking for a movie, like in Inox, PVR, whatever. You go and you can book your seats, right? So whenever you go and book some seats, there will be some ticket allotting person, and we can call them as a clerk here. So the clerk over here doesn't give you a chance to select your seats. You can go there, ask for a seat, name the movie you want to see, ask for a seat, pay the price, and he will he or she will allot according to the rule he or she follows. Now there are three clerks for here. It's a hypothetical situation, and at any time you go, you can face any of one of them clerk, and it's your chance. It's your luck how which clerk you see. So first clerk is row number, second clerk is dense rank, third is rank. Now let's first go to let us suppose clerk number one, which is row number. When we go there, when let us suppose when I went there and I asked for one seat, he said, okay, I don't care about ties. I'll set people as they come. So row 1, row 2, row 3. So what he did was I paid 500, my friend paid 500, and one of the person paid 300. So what what that clerk 1, which is row number, did was it assigned rows accordingly. Row 1, row 2, no tie, no sharing. Even though I and my friend paid 500, there was a tie on the ticket price, but it doesn't care. I came first, I got row 1. He came second, he got row 2. It's an order by situation. Who came first will get that. First order by was on ticket price, and then the order by was on uh, timing. Who came first? So since the ticket price was same between me and my friend, but the timing was different. I went in the morning, he went after 5 minutes after me. So he got row 2, I got row 1, even though we paid the same price. And the third person which came, he paid 300. So since the order by was on ticket price also, he will get row 3. So no ties, strictly 1, 2, 3, 4. So this clerk follows this rule. Unique seat number. He'll always give a unique seat number. Doesn't matter if there is a tie on the criteria or ticket price or timing. Okay. Even if the timing would have been same, he would have signed accordingly. Like my friend and I, we would have gone the same time and booked, handed the ticket in the same time, like ticket price to them, to the clerk at the same time. We will get different rows, row 1 and row 2. Now another movie came in this week, and when I went there for then the clerk name which was sitting was a clerk number 2, which is dense rank. Now dense rank uh, follows the ticket allotting conditions differently. He says same row, no gaps. So according to him, same price, same row, and I never leave empty rows. What does this mean? That I and my friend went and we gave 500. So what he did, he gave us seats in the same row, row 1 and row 1. Maybe A1, B1, whatever, A2, B2, doesn't matter. Or in the same seat, in the same sofa, whatever. In row 1, we both got seats because we paid the same price. So if we get it as a rank, we get the same rank, first rank over here. Wonderful. Other person came, he paid 400. Now, so order by was on ticket price, descending. So this is actually less than 500. He got row 2. Other person came, he said he paid 300. He'll get the next row, which is row 3. He will not get a seat on row 2, because if he would have paid 400, he would got seat in row 2 only. He would have got second rank only. But now he had paid 300, so he will get row 3. So this is dense rank. ties share a row and row numbers goes 1, 1, 2, 3. So if we can see that tie was here 500, so we shared the same ranking, and the next person will get the next rank, the very next rank which is available, or the very next row which is available, which is row 2. Now comes one fine day after office, I want to go to a movie. So I went to the ticket uh, ticket center and I booked a ticket. So that clerk which was sitting there was rank, which is clerk number 3. Now this clerk actually handles situation differently than other two. What he says, same row but gaps. The same row but gaps. This is a tricky one, by the way. Uh, the story here tweaks it slightly. What actually, everyone who pays the same highest price share the same front row. But the next group jumps to the row number that reflects how many people are already ahead. Let me explain you easily. So example price, in one screen, 4 people came, 500, 500, 400 and 300. So the 2 people, me and my friend who paid 500, they both sit in row 1. This was actually followed in dense rank also, right? If you are paying the same price, you will be in same rank. Row 1 or rank 1. There are 2 people ahead of everyone else. Like we both are in rank 1, but we are 2 people now who have paid the most price till now. The next person came, then he gives 400. Now since he has given 400, he is actually, how do I say you, paid less than us, and so he will not get a seat on row 1, but he will also not get a seat in row 2. Why? Because this person follows same row but gaps, and the gaps are in the row number. So he focus how many people are already ahead. So when this person came with 400, actually 2 people have already booked the seats. So even though we got the rank or row same, row number 1 or rank number 1, both of us, but we are 2 people ahead, right? So next row which will be now his will be in his vision will be row number 3. He will not give row 2 to anyone because 2 persons are there. Even though that person wishes to sit given the seat of in row 1, row 2 will not be taken by anyone because he doesn't like people sitting in same rows. Okay, he doesn't like people sitting in different rows. Okay, so let us suppose in row 1 2 people are there. It could have easily given it to row 2, the second person, but no, he will not give that. Same price means same rows. So row 1 for 500, and then for 400 he will keep that row 2 empty and he will give row 3 to that person. And now the next person came with 300, he will get row 4. So it ties share the source to this rank, this clerk who's following rank rule is actually follows this, that ties will share the same row number, but the next row number equals position, so numbers kept. Now we can phrase it like this, and in your interview you can phrase it like this, that row number counts people, first person, second person, third person, unique rows, doesn't matter to anyone. Rank count positions, it doesn't count people, it counts position. 2 people in first position, the next person is third position. Dense rank count price level, first price level, second price level, third price level. So if 500 is the first price level, anyone who pays 500 will be in the first price level. Second price level is 400. If anyone pays 400, he will be in 400. Second price level. Okay, I'll explain this using this very simple example of seat. Consider this is a seating arrangement of the movie. This is the screen. So when you are following row number, any person will come, give 500, will sit over here. Next person comes over here, pays 500, will actually come to second row, B row. Third person comes over here, pays 500, he will be in this row only. Another person comes and give 200, then he will be here. Row number will not give any value to you, whatever you are doing. It doesn't matter to him. it will uniquely assign this. So this is row number. Now let's see what dense rank does. So what dense rank will actually do over here is, if someone has came and given 500, okay, we have someone has came and give 500, what he will do is he will assign this to here, 500 come here. Another person came, gave 500 here. Another person came, gave 300, doesn't matter, whatever amount he gives, he will come over here. Another person came and gave 300, he will also come over here. Another person gave 100, since 100 is the next lowest than 300 for us, now we will assign it over here. Doesn't matter how many people come, 500 will be here. So it will, dense rank will first price level, second price level. So price level 500 will here, second price level is this one, third price level this one. What actually rank does is, okay, rank over here, if two people came and give 500 to him, he will assign it over here like dense rank. If one more person came and gave 500, okay, let's first see two people. Then the third person came, and what it does is, what that person actually, he gives 300. I will not give him a seat over here for 300, even though he is the next lowest ticket price payer, but I'll not give a set over here because two person are actually here, and rank focuses on positions. So two positions has been assigned in the same rank. However, in the same row, it will not give this very next row. Now there are two positions filled, he will give third position or third rank. The third rank will be coming over here in C. So over here it will give a new one, 300. Another person comes and give 300, will be welcome over here. If another person comes and give 100, what do you think? Will that person get sit over here? No, it will not. They will not be allotted over here, because now there are 4 position fields. So row 4, I am done. 4 position fields means row 4 done. Rank 4 has been, 4 ranks have been done. Even though I have assigned row 1 and row 2 to them, I will not give row 4 to anyone because 4 positions are left. Now the person who comes is 5th position. So if I would have any seat over here like E1, any row E1, E2, and blah 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 like that, so that person who pays 100 will actually come over here. So I hope I made this rank, row number and dense rank thing very clear to you. If you understood this and gain some knowledge, please share, subscribe and like on this YouTube channel and video. Thank you so much for being with me. If you want such more videos, please follow SQL with Asif. Thanks.